Hey guys, first off, we're going to take a look at an M&P 2.0 9mm with a 5-inch barrel, desert tan. Great looking pistol. Great shooting pistol. Plenty of rounds downrange with this one. Added a Floyd's custom mag well to it. That way the mags for quick load. Plus it looks cool. It just looks cool. And I put a Streamlight TLR1 HL on it. High, low, and strobe function. It's a great shooter. And since it's my primary home defense, I also have a 21 round ETS mag. So, great Smith Wesson. M&P 2.0 in desert tan. And since we're looking at some Smith & Wessons, let's look at a Smith & Wesson. I guess I'd call this a 1.0, older version, chambered 9mm, same frame capacity. This one is 4.25 inch barrel. So if you want to take a comparison, there's the comparison between the barrels. Also, the M&P, standard M&P, doesn't have any forward serrations either. So that's one of the big differences. I think they changed the location of the serial number block and a little bit different triggers to them too. But they'll both take the full-size magazine. Where like the compact, M&P Compact 2.0, let's see. It's a compact here. M&P 2.0 Compact. I believe this is the it's a 4-inch barrel on this one, I believe. Or 3.6. Yeah, it's 3.6 on this one. And, yeah, it's 3.6 on that, I believe. Where the compact, it still has, a shorter mag well. So, you can use the full-size mags in it, but you can't use the full-size mags in the full-size version. It still takes a 15-round mag. So, and I do have a couple with the spacers on them where I run 17 round in them. So, and then this here is another 2.0. And this is a chambered 9mm also. And I believe this is a 3.6 barrel. Or a 3.5 barrel. So, I mean, we'll get a size comparison between the 5 and this as far as the barrel length. So there you go. I'm not exactly sure. I don't have a measuring stick close by, but that's the differences in those. But it does have forward serrations, very good serrations on it. All Smith & Wessons do have the 3-dot combat sights too. Unlike one of their major competitors that have the plastic sights out of the factory, these all have steel sights out of the factory. And they shoot really well. Really well. Now, let's see. Another Smith & Wesson we can look at would probably be, this is one of my main carries. Actually, this is just a 9mm M&P Shield. Single stack, where the 2.0 and the 1.0, I'll call it full size, are all double stack. But this is, I do have it is 8.8 plus 1. So, and this is a great pistol. I got a lot of rounds down the range with this thing. I got some tape around the handle just to help me, give me a little bit better purchase on it. And it seems to shoot really well like that. Seen a lot of miles with this one. And that's just your standard Shield M&P 9mm. And something I carry on a regular basis is a Smith Wesson M&P 380 EZ, believe it or not. And I like the EZ. Nice, easy to operate. Get a little age on you, a little long in the tooth. You need something sometimes a little bit less aggressive to operate under load. Let's put it that way, under load. One thing I did not like about it was the mag release button seemed awfully high. So, and I'm left-handed, so I would catch my finger on it and dump the mag. So all I did, I was going to shave it down. I thought, I won't shave it down. I just cut a little square of Velcro and put it right next to it. And it still functions properly. And on EZ, I like the mags because they got these trees on the side. It makes it easy to load. And only 8-round mag though. It's low capacity. I keep 7 in it. I don't like keeping them springs all the way busted down at the bottom. I do carry 2 mags with me when I do carry that. And I've been carrying it quite often, just because for comfort. So, that's it for taking a little peek at some Smith & Wessons. Just some great American firearms. People aren't... you never hear the term Smith & Wesson fanboy. But I tell you what, I like them. So, it's cool to have a pile of them like that. And they all function fine. All shoot real good. This one, probably, believe it or not, probably my favorite shooter. This is the original version. 1.0, I guess I'll call it. And I like the external safety in a full size. Because I usually carry them outboard. And it's easy to manipulate, easy to manage. So, that's it, folks. Have a good Saturday night. Please like, comment, share. Any advice, tips, tricks for your Smith & Wessons, any comments at all, greatly appreciate them. As always, stay safe and give the glory to God.